Question number 24. My aunt Seema was the most generous of all the members of our family. Whenever we went out for dinner, she always insisted to pay for the meal. She always insisted. Now, the verb insisted should always be followed by that and then the rest of the words, and if there is a need to bring in the pronoun, it should be placed after that. So, she always insisted to pay is not correct. It should be she always insisted that. And in which of the options is that present? Let's retain those and remove the one where that is missing. So, 2 goes out. Okay. That she pay for the meal, that she will be paying for the meal, or that she had paid for the meal. Now, the tense is important, so focus on the tense. Option 4, she always insisted. So, the author is talking about something that's a fact with regard to his or her aunt. So, if we say she always insisted that she had paid for the meal, there is a tense problem and the tense does not match with the tense of the remaining or the preceding part, and which is why we can eliminate this. Can we go with 3? That she will be paying for the meal. She always insisted that she will be paying for the meal suffers with the same problem for which we eliminated 4. So, we can discard option 3 as well. 1 is the correct choice, that she pay for the meal. Okay. So, 1 is the correct answer. Okay. So, there is a little bit more that I want to add to this explanation as to why it is the first choice which is correct over here. Now, I have already told you that the verb insist in any form should be followed by that, and which is why we went with the first choice, and I had also told you that we cannot even consider any such choice which does not begin with that. Now, whenever the verb insist is used to convey either a demand or a strong suggestion, it is followed by that, and this brings in what we call the subjunctive mood in grammar. Now, the subjunctive mood I don't have to explain, and you need not know about it in detail. What is important is that you should remember when insist is followed by that, then the verb that comes after that, okay, should be in the base form. Okay. So, that she pay. Okay, pay is the base form of the word, or what we can also consider V1 or present tense form, and we cannot even have the ing form. It would be incorrect to say that she will be paying, she paid and had paid. Okay, so not just because of the tense of the part, but also because of the verb form should we go with 1, and we have already eliminated the remaining. Okay, so I repeat, when insisted, in this case, insist or insisted is used to convey anything which borders on demand or any suggestion which is very forceful, then we bring in that after it, and then the verb which comes at any point in the sentence after that should be in the base form, which is why she always insisted that she pay for the meal. Okay.